Now take your global activity book, page 66. Let's do the given activity. Vocabulary. What items have you found on a beach? What items will you find in a beach, children? You will find plastic bottles, car tires, cans, tins, etc. So just make a list here. Read the text and make a list of the most common items found on beach. Here they have given you a text. You should read this and you should do the activity which is given below. Washed up. The sea washes up all kinds of objects and rubbish on beaches all over the world. The most common item is cigarette ends. The sea will wash up all kinds of objects, right? Whatever you throw in the beach, the water will take it up, right? The most common item is cigarette ends. Cigarette end means small pieces of cigarettes, the last ends. The second most common item is plastic bottles. Yes, you will mostly commonly see plastic bottles all over the beach. Believe it or not, about 1 million of these bottles were cleaned up by volunteers last year. Last year, volunteers cleaned up about 1 million bottles. Why that much bottles we people throw all around? Another common item found on beaches is plastic bags which can injure and kill and even kill sea creatures. Yes, the other common item is the plastic bags. Plastic bags are also thrown all over, right? Other items found on beaches are car tires, umbrellas and lots of clothing. Last year alone, volunteers cleaned up 266,997 items of clothing. Last year alone, they have cleaned up this much items of clothing. Enough to clothe the entire audience at the London Olympics cleaning ceremony. Now let's start doing the activity. Most common items. Here they have mentioned 3 most common items, right? So you should mention them here. One is cigarette ends, the second one is plastic bottles, and the next is plastic bags. The other items are car tires, umbrellas and lots of clothing. So you can mention it as clothings. Now let's start doing the next one. Read the text again, circle the correct words. Number 1. So many types of objects are found on beaches. Will you say some types of objects are found on beaches? No, right? There are many types. So the first one is done for you. Number 2. Around 1 million bottles or over 1 million bottles were cleaned up off beach last year. Here, if you read it again, you can find it about 1 million. So about means it is around. So circle around for number 2. Number 3, an unusual item, typical items found on beaches are plastic bags. Plastic bags are the most common items, right? So for common we say typical items. Number 4, plastic bags can hurt and kill sea creatures or can't hurt and kill sea creatures. Can, right? They can hurt and kill the sea creatures also. So circle can. The last one is in 1 year or every year items of clothing were cleaned up off beaches. Here they say last year alone, which means only 1 year. So circle in 1 year 266,997 items of clothing were cleaned up.